the Auld Professor. A glorious 12th indeed, he thinks, glimmering at the lift abin the bens. Next dark mantle falls upon the coolins, sign black as velvet picked with gliskin pearls, nature's stark grand orrery, never failing in its power to dumbfooner. All is still and septin for the heavens Nathan steers, till all a sudden a timorsome deer nervously stegs athwart the field. Lugs twitch, she yucks her head. Dark een drink in the tentless starns. Sign swift turns tail and dirts awa. Swipperly she's swallowed with the forest. Prof, patient for leans on the dry stane dyke, that's clathed in rime o' hoary moss, nursing the glass of whisky in his hawn, a stiff dram o' his favourite talisker, bides canny the musica universalis. Then there they are, sicker as the morning sun, flashing, glisking, glinting sparks of fire, the Perseids winging their endless way athwart the braid black welkin o' the night. He hods the glass of whisky to his ee, and keeks for fun out through its pepper smeek. The amber o' his nectar's fremt meniscus, a skein o' licht glints past his ardent gaze. Clochie! He clamps a horn down on the glass, looks round to speer that nane has seen this daftness, then sneaking baith his een tucks off his dram and drinks the perfect fire o' the cosmos.